I just wanted to give y'all a couple tips on what I do to my hair. Will it work for you? I don't know. I don't know. Hey, I'm Naturally Curlysa and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 things that I do to maintain my curly hair. Disclaimer, what works for me may not work for you, but I'm just going to let y'all know what I do to maintain my hair. First tip, wash day. So I wash my hair once a week, and I do not use co-washes. I use clarifying shampoos. Like regular, I need to make sure that my scalp is clean. Not saying that co-washes can't do that, but I want to make sure there's no buildup, no nothing. The only time that I use a co-wash is if I need to rewash my hair right after I wash it, because I hate my hairstyle and I just don't want to strip my hair too much. But what I do also is deep condition. I deep condition every time I wash my hair. It doesn't matter when I wash it, but deep condition is a must. Just a little life hack, I use the IC 3-minute moisture. Sometimes it comes for $2 for $3 and $3, I guess, $2 for $3. And what I'll do is, if I have an expensive deep conditioner, I'll take a dime size amount of the expensive one and take a natural hair dime size amount of the Aussie 3-minute moisture, and I'll mix them together. I've done it with plenty of deep conditioners. It mixes with everything, lots of slip, and it works out great. So you save your deep conditioner, but you also, make sure your hair is thoroughly conditioned. Second tip, I don't use a lot of products in my hair when I'm styling. My hair hates oils. Maybe I'm using the wrong oils, but my hair works better when I use less products. Less is more. Sometimes I see people stacking 5 and 6 products on top of their hair. If that works for you, that's great, but that does not work for me. I usually just use a leave-in and maybe a gel and a mousse, or a leave-in and sometimes a cream and a mousse, or a cream and a gel, but I don't have a whole lot of products that I put in my hair. When I refresh my hair, I just use water and a pick. I don't use extra products. My hair gets built up really bad, so if I put too much products in it during the week, my hair becomes a mess. So I try to get all my hydration on wash day so that it can last for the rest of the week. Number 3, manipulation of my hair. So I do not manipulate my hair much during the week. I actually hate when I wash my hair and then, try to style it in some type of cute style. I don't like doing that. I don't know why. I just feel like I'm going to get tired of it after a day and it's going to be a waste, and then I'm going to have to just put it up in a puff. So I try to wash my hair and style it and wash and go. Wash and go is my signature of what I'm really good at. I'm not really good at twist outs and braid outs, but I will do them. And I just let it get bigger and bigger. When I get tired of it, I put it up in a puff. Tip number 4, trims. So I just got a trim 2 days ago. Before that, it was like I went a whole pregnancy without getting my hair cut. If you don't know what that means 9 months. Was I pregnant? No. That's going to go over some people's heads. But what I'm saying is, my last trim before 2 days ago was 9 months ago. That's not okay. I don't know how often you should get trimmed. I'm not the expert, but I was doing fine without a trim. My hair just grows wild in different places. But make sure you get a regular trim to keep your hair shaped, to make sure you cut off the dead ends and don't have any split ends. I tried to cut my hair by myself, and when I went actually the last time to get my hair cut, when they straightened it, the back of my hair was this long, and then the hair on top of it was like down here. So they had to cut all my hair to match what I tried to cut, and never again will I cut my own hair. Lesson learned. The last tip I have is number 5, which is that's not a drum. I don't know what that was. That sounds like an alarm. But number 5 is everybody's hair is unique. So don't try to copy somebody else's routine. word from word and action from action, because if it doesn't work for you, I don't want you to get upset. I mean, it's personal because I don't want you to get upset. I've done it before. I have so many products in there I don't use because I've been trying to follow people that have the same type of hair as me. Oh, this worked for her. I'm finna use this. It's finna work great. And it didn't work. I wasted my money. I spent a lot of money trying to copy what somebody else was doing instead of trying to find my own routine. Find what works for you. When you find something that works for you, stick with it. Don't keep changing. Don't keep buying new stuff. I don't like that I keep buying new stuff, but it's a habit. If you find something that works, buy it. And also the expensive stuff, sometimes the expensive stuff doesn't work as well. There's some cheap stuff out there that works really, really good. So, but that's all I got. That's all I got, people. I just wanted to give y'all a couple tips on what I do to my hair. Will it work for you? I don't know. I don't know. But what I do know is I went from damaged to curls, and I know what I'm talking about just a little bit. But this is my routine. This is what works for me. And if it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry. I'm glad you enjoyed the video. I hope you even made it to the end of the video to even watch this part, because sometimes people don't watch through the whole videos. I don't be watching through the whole video. I just be skipping through people's videos just so I can get to the end result. I know I'm guilty. But if you make it to this end and you see this, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for seeing the tips. Thank you for understanding where I'm coming from. Even if you don't understand where I'm coming from, you made it here. Thank you. But if you like this video or you want some more tips or kinds of videos like this where I kind of just explain what I do with my routine, like and subscribe to my channel. Comment below on what you want to see. If you even make it this far, you might not even comment because you may never even see this. I may be talking to myself. But if I'm not talking to myself, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_. Jesus Christ, it's right there. Follow me on Instagram. I got more content on there, tutorials, all that types of good stuff. I'll see y'all on the next video.